Next, I wanted to talk about, also being a millennial and being born in the year 1990, with the successor to Hubble finally going to space and finally getting deployed. It's literally been my whole life that these telescopes have been a part of, right? Hubble launched a few months after I was born in 1990, and in April, I was born in January, and now the successor in space, James Webb Space Telescope, just before my 32nd birthday. So to think that they're going to be dialing in those 18 mirror segments, right? We have our 3D printed coaster here that we did in honor of James Webb Space Telescope deploying. All of these 18 panels are going to get calibrated and focused so that they can observe the early light, or really wherever we want to point that telescope. And it's an amazing thing, and Hubble was an amazing thing, right? I mean, my whole life, Hubble was providing us with images of space that arguably, I mean, every computer has a Hubble Space Telescope screensaver or a background, or some screensavers don't even exist anymore, but backgrounds, right? Hubble was such a huge thing that kept the interest in space and let us see things that we've never seen before, galaxies, nebulas, things in such detail that it really expanded what we even thought was possible in space, being able to actually see it for the first time. So this is a weird connection with my own life, that this has literally been my whole life has been with these telescopes, and it's just a cool connection. I think it's awesome. It's kind of a weird way to say, hey, it's my birthday.